Right, y'all, so it's the day before BJ's party, and today we are making his party favor bags, me and my mom and maybe my sister. But we're doing like a little DIY project. Like I had stated before, he's having a Blippi themed party with construction vehicles. So we're going to be doing something really cute that I found on Pinterest and putting our little spin on it. And the children are actually going to go hang out with my dad today. So I'm going to be childless for a little bit, and that's great, so I can get stuff done. So I'm super excited about that. We're actually in the drive-thru. We're trying to get Jay some lunch. His job is not too far from here. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. A picture of what the bags are gonna be, like what we're trying to replicate. And then I'm also going to show you what we're doing, as in like party favors inside of the, well, I showed you what's exactly going inside, so I'm going to show you like how we're making it up. But let me show you my materials. So these are the bags that we're using, and then we have some orange. We're using the orange part, the orange ribbon. Got a glue stick. I showed you guys the stickers and the cars. These little sandwich bags that the cars are going inside with the Reese's Pieces. They're also gonna get a bag of chips, and my family's back there being ghetto. And then this is the paper that we're using. Is making the, what are they called? Suspenders. So she's using her ruler and she measured 1 inch apart. So we have 8 bags, so she's making 16 of those. And then I am tracing the bow ties. So basically, I just put it on top of the paper that I'm going to use and press down real hard. And then you can see the outline, and that's what we're going to cut to put on the little bags. And then we got the glasses. That's going to be like a little gift tag that says the kids' names. It's coming along, it's coming along. Everything cut out. So now I'm about to start gluing the hold on, baby. Now I'm about to start gluing the lenses onto the glasses. And my mom's gonna cut out her buttons. We don't have any juice, baby. And then she already put the little trucks in there with the Reese's Pieces. Is that not the cutest thing? And then we're gonna tie a cute little orange ribbon on it. So yeah, it's super cute. I'm making it. need to just assemble. I put the little names of the kids who are coming and thank you for coming. My mom insisted on BJ having a party favor bag, so he got one too, and I just wrote him a little note. And yeah, so now it's just assembly time. Next time, let me go ahead and assemble these bags.